There's our little sweethearts, napping in the sunshine. I have the blind closed because the sun is so bright right now, and it shines right on their cage. They really like it. You can see our marshmallow Crystal in the background, yawning. Oh, look at them all. They're so sweet. They've been singing all day and they wore themselves out. Come here, Emerald. Can you step up, baby? Step up? All the way? What a good girl. Yes, you're such a good baby. You got a feather hanging from your beak. Did you forget to clean it off? Huh? Should Mommy get it? Oh, look, Mama got it. What a good baby. You're such a good baby. Wanna go back to your cage? Is that what you want to do? Mama, let you back up. Yeah, look at Emerald on top of the cage. Yeah, you're a sweetheart, aren't you? Yeah, dear. You want to come up, Marine? No? Why don't you come to Mama? Step up? Step up. What a good boy. You're such a good boy. Good boy, Marine. Yeah, good boy. You're a good boy. You're such a pretty bird. You go back? Oh no! Hang upside down. Crystal, what are you doing? Now she probably won't come to me. Baby? You step up for Mama? No? Well look, see, Emerald does. Emerald steps up for Mama. Yes. See, Crystal? Emerald knows how to step up. Sorry, my camera's acting funny. You turquoise. Come for Mama? What a good girl. You do it again? Want to do it again? Good girl. You're a little acrobat, aren't you? What a good girl. Come outside. See, everyone else is outside. Look at that. See? Try one more time. You're a silly bird. Yes, you are. Come on. Come here, pretty baby. And we'll let her calm down a little bit. What are you guys doing? You little marshmallow. Crystal? You gonna come to Mama Turquoise?